name is Master Kishore. Master Kishore of Kangal House. Master Kishore of Kangal House.
Good morning, everyone. Present here, including our principal, vice principal, our headmistress, and everyone, my brothers and sisters. I myself, Kishore, of class 12 science, representing Kangal House. I'm going to present a speech which was given by Abraham Lincoln on 19th of November 1863 during the American Civil War, which was dedicated to the soldiers. So here's the speech. Fourscore and 7 years ago, our father brought forth upon this continent a new nation, so conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal. We are now engaged in a great civil war, testing whether a nation so conceived and so dedicated can long endure. We are met on the battlefield of that war. We have come to dedicate a portion of that field as a final resting place for all those who have given their life that the nation might live. It is altogether proper and fitting that we should do it. But in the larger sense, we cannot dedicate, we cannot consecrate, and we cannot hallow the strong, the brave men living and alive who have struggled here have consecrated far more than our poor power to add or detract. The world will little know, nor long remember what we see here, but it can only remember what we do here. It is for us living, rather, to be dedicated to the task which is unfinished, that all those who have fought here have done so far nobly advanced. It is for us, rather, to be dedicated to the great task remaining before us. From this honored death that we get increased devotion, and this land under God shall see a new birth of freedom. For that, the government of the people, by the people, and for the people shall never perish from this earth. Thank you, everyone.
So that was Abraham Lincoln coming from the past and giving speech to our SBM school. Thank you so much, Mr. Abraham Lincoln. We salute you. Thank you so much. And that was Kishore of Kangal House. Thank you. And the next from the Paula House, serial number 15, W. Jamie from the Paula House, W. Jamie. See you there, who sees. While acting as Princess Diana, she has got a podium.
Good morning, my respected principals, headmistress, and vice principal Sarge, and dear disease. And myself, representing Devi from class 12 science from the house. Today, I'm going to present a speech on topic of men and mental health. This speech was given by Princess Diana of Wales at Turning Point Conference in June 1993. Princess Diana of Wales was a first member of Princess Diana of Wales was a member of British royal family. She was the first wife of Prince Charles of Wales, and she was the mother of Prince William and Prince Harry. She died in 31 August 1997 at 20 at Paris, France, in a car crash. This piece was one of her most powerful speeches as she speaks from her heart and experience about being mistreated women and noticing the pain that women are suffering from. Where do we begin? From those I have spoken to through my words with turning points. The beginning seems to be that women in our societies are shoes to careless, robot, and cops. Whatever lives cross a day, they will always cost. Although 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, whether your scholarship or your husband or out of work, or your several or one spouse, they'll take you, they will box, they will cook and clean, go out to work, attend to the
Father,